Hi friends, welcome everyone. Today I am going to explain about medicinal properties of neem. The extract of neem has been used in Ayurveda for thousands of years for overall well-being. Neem proves to be a miracle for people with problematic skin, courtesy its anti-fungal and anti-bacterial properties. Drinking neem juice on a regular basis will help you achieve a clean stomach and will improve your metabolism. Neem is one of the best antiseptic, antibacterial and antiviral agents, which keeps your internal system clean by purifying your blood. Neem twigs are still used for oral hygiene in many parts of India. The antimicrobial and antifungal properties of neem play a key role in the prevention of gum diseases, toothache, bad breath and mouth ulcers. For that we should use neem and be healthy.